Sign, LINQ Midtown. A luxury apartment complex. A swimming pool. Public transportation station. Wide, furnished communal space. Furnished and decorated living room, bedroom, bathroom. A theater-like space with seating around a wall-mounted TV, a game room with pool table and more. Kitchen space with marble top island and stainless steel appliances. Booth seating, bikes, weights and other equipment fill a gym. Another furnished apartment. A pet care and walking area. Nearby buildings and businesses. University of California Davis campus. Revolution Winery, kitchen. Temple, coffee and tea. Sacramento Natural Foods Co-op. The sun sets over the city. Logo, LINQ Midtown. LINQMidtown.com